Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, ladies and gentlemen. Today we delve into the exhilarating world of American muscle with an in-depth look at the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This latest iteration from Ford promises to be a game changer, blending raw power with cutting-edge technology and design. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a standout in the performance car segment. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2025 Mustang Dark Horse lies a naturally aspirated, modified Gen 4 5.0 liters Coyote V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 500 horsepower and 418 pounds-foot of torque, achieving a remarkable 100 horsepower per liter. Such specifications ensure a visceral driving experience, catering to enthusiasts who crave both power and precision. The engine's performance is further enhanced by a choice between a Tremec A-registered 6-speed manual transmission and a 10-speed automatic transmission. The manual option offers a more engaged driving experience, while the automatic provides seamless gear shifts for those preferring convenience without compromising performance. Design and aesthetics. The Dark Horse's exterior design is a harmonious blend of aggression and elegance. It features unique 19-inch alloy wheels, blue brake calipers, and a bespoke front bumper, all contributing to its distinctive appearance. The vehicle also boasts the first-ever front-on-horse badge on a Mustang, symbolizing its unique position within the lineup. Inside, the cabin is driver-centric, featuring bright indigo blue contrast stitching and a range of premium materials. The immersive cockpit is equipped with a 12.4-inch digital instrument panel seamlessly integrated with a 13.2-inch center touchscreen, powered by Ford's Sync 4 system. This setup provides intuitive access to vehicle controls and entertainment options, ensuring a connected driving experience. Handling and suspension. The 2025 Mustang Dark Horse is engineered for exceptional handling. It comes standard with MagneRide adaptive dampers, which adjust the suspension in real time to provide a balance between comfort and performance. This system ensures that the vehicle remains composed, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway. For those seeking enhanced track capabilities, the optional Dark Horse handling package includes features such as stiffer springs, larger sway bars, and unique chassis tuning. These enhancements provide increased grip and responsiveness, making the Dark Horse a formidable presence on the racetrack. Technology and connectivity. Modern performance cars must offer advanced technology, and the Dark Horse does not disappoint. The vehicle's infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the digital instrument cluster can be customized to display various performance metrics, ensuring drivers have all necessary information at their fingertips. Safety features are also a priority, with the inclusion of adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive airbag system. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind, whether on a spirited drive or during daily commutes. Fuel efficiency and environmental considerations. While performance is paramount, the Dark Horse also offers respectable fuel efficiency for its class. The vehicle achieves an estimated 17 miles per gallon in combined driving conditions, balancing power with practicality. However, it's important to note that the Mustang's CO2 emissions are significant, which may impact its appeal in markets with stringent environmental regulations. Market position and pricing. The 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is positioned as a premium offering within the Mustang lineup, with a starting price of approximately $61,980. This pricing reflects its advanced engineering, performance capabilities, and premium features. For Canadian enthusiasts, the Dark Horse is available at select dealerships, with pricing and availability varying by region. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse represents a compelling blend of performance, design, and technology. It stays true to the Mustang's heritage while incorporating modern advancements to meet the demands of today's drivers. Whether you're a long-time Mustang enthusiast or new to the world of American muscle cars, the Dark Horse offers an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to impress. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest automotive innovations. The backside of the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse exudes power and aggression, embodying the muscle car's bold heritage with modern refinements. The rear showcases a sculpted bumper with an integrated diffuser, enhancing aerodynamics while adding a race-inspired look. A prominent rear spoiler, available in the handling package, improves downforce for better stability at high speeds. Signature tri-bar LED taillights maintain Mustang's iconic styling while providing a futuristic touch. The quad-tip exhaust system, finished in black, delivers a deep, throaty roar, emphasizing the Dark Horse's high-performance nature. The rear fascia features a unique Dark Horse badge, distinguishing it from other Mustang models. The wide stance and chiseled lines at the back not only improve aesthetics but also contribute to better handling. Functional rear vents aid in cooling, making this Mustang as capable on the track as it is on the street. Every detail on the Dark Horse's rear is designed to balance form and function, reinforcing its position as the most track-focused Mustang in the lineup. The front side of the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is a bold statement of power and aggression, designed to dominate both the streets and the track. Its low, wide stance enhances aerodynamics, while the sculpted hood features functional heat extractors, improving engine cooling and performance. The signature LED headlights, with their sharp, angular design, give the Dark Horse an intimidating glare, ensuring an unmistakable road presence. A large blacked-out grille, unique to the Dark Horse, enhances airflow and adds to its menacing aesthetic. Below, the front bumper features a prominent splitter, increasing downforce for improved stability at high speeds. Deep side vents complement the aggressive front fascia, channeling air efficiently for better aerodynamics and brake cooling. The Dark Horse logo, replacing the traditional Mustang pony badge, further sets it apart, emphasizing its exclusive nature. Every detail on the front side has been meticulously crafted to enhance both form and function, making the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse one of the most striking and performance-focused Mustangs ever built. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.